All right, fam, it's BeenScratching, and we're back at it again.
Guess who's back? Back again.
I got a good one for you guys today. I got two of these $150 million cash explosions to scratch today. Prizes started at $50 and over $150 million in total cash prizes. We're scratching on ticket number 3 and number 4 today. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe onto the channel. We're going to have a good scratch today. All right, fam, it's BeenScratching, and we're back at it again. Got two of these $150 million cash explosions to scratch today. $30 ticket from the Michigan Lottery. This is one that's been around for a while, but it's one of my favorites. Scratching on ticket number 3 and number 4. We're going to start on number 4 today. Actually, we're going to start on number 3 today. Let's see here. Chances of winning on these guys, 1 in 4.07. Here's the prizes: 50, 200, 300, 600, 2,000, 10,000, and 4 million. There's still one of them $4 million guys out there. This ticket's been out for a long time. There's only about 300,000 total winners left, and there's still one of these. So I'll be sad to see it go, but not if I win the $4 million for it. So. All right, well, there ain't nothing to it, or actually, there is something to it. We got to tell you how to play it here. So the way we play, bonus 50, 100, 300. Got to get that money bag in one of them spots. Star, get that star in any one of those. Game 2, we win the prize below that. Down here, we're matching any of our numbers to the winning numbers. We're getting the prize shown below that number. If we get this coin symbol, we're going to win double. If we get the 10 times, we're going to win 10 times the amount. All right, folks, well, there ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's go ahead and get to it.
You can do it!
Starting on ticket number 3. Bonus 50. Ladybug. Bonus 100. Clover. Bonus 300. Wishbone. Hey, if you guys are new to the channel, I want to thank you guys for joining along today. We post new videos daily. If you like these kind of videos, consider going down below and subscribing onto the channel. Come back almost every day and watch a new video. I post probably 5 days a week. So, all right, we had a gold bar, bankroll, and we're always scratching something different. $1 tickets, $30 tickets, $20 tickets. Always grabbing the beginnings and the ends of the reels, keeping it interesting. All right, cash stack and a treasure. So nothing on game 2. Moving along here. Trying to match the numbers. Coin symbol for 10 times. Number 12. Number 49. Number 19. 24. 31. All right. Let's get to it. 30. It's a one-off. 2. 20. 5. 4. 42. We had 24. 32. We had 31. 44. Number 7. Number 3. Number 22, deuce, deuce. Number 48. All right, number 28. 28. 39. Coin's not scratching very good here. 26. Number 9. 29. Number 11, that's a one-off. 27. Number 1. Number 43. Number 47. Number 15. 25, that's a one-off. All right, we got one left down here. Let's see what we got. It's the $4 million guy. Won't that be nice? Let's see it. 17. Not gonna do it. All right, ticket 3 is gonna be a loser.
Aww.
Let's keep it moving. Ticket 4. Play it the same way. Let's see it. Looking for a money bag. Key. Horseshoe. Hare or rabbit. Alright, looking for a star down here. Cash. Treasure. Money clip. Gold bar. Alright, nothing on game 2. Let's move it down here. Looking to match our numbers. Gold coin. Or a 10 times. Alright, winning numbers are going to be 45, 14. I'm sorry, 45, 4, 18, 34, and then 46. 49. 44, that's a one-off. 21. Come on, cash explosion. 29, you got to give us one here. 28. 23. 48. 43. We had 34. Number 1. Number 15. 39. Number 6. 33. It's a one-off. Number 20. Number 7. Nothing yet. 2 rows. 2 rows. Let's go. Come on. 32. We got 34. 17. Not gonna do it. We got 18. Number 40. We got number 4. Number 2. 24. We got 34. All right, last row. Come on. Let's see it. 47. Number 11. Number 30. Last 2. 4 million or $100. Hey folks, if you guys made it this far in the video, I want to thank you guys for joining along today. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go down below and give me a like. Give me a comment and let me know if you're playing, if you're winning, if you're losing. What's the ticket you're playing on today? Still scratching on these, playing something different? I'm always interested to hear. Alright, let's hope we can avoid the skunk here. I'd rather see this 4 million. Let's see it. Come on. 35. Ooh, one off of 34. Alright, last shot. 100. I'll take it. Let's see it. Number 9.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Not gonna do it. Alright, folks. Looks like number 4 is gonna be a loser also. Let's do a little recap, folks. two of these $150 million cash explosions we had to scratch today. Ticket number 3, number 4, both gonna be losers. We got skunked out today, folks.
Hello, bad pie.
Well, these $150 million cash explosions are starting to come to an end here. There's not too many of them left out there. I think we'll keep buying them. It's been a good ticket for us in the past. If you haven't watched any videos from us before, scratching them, make sure you go back and check it out. It's always been a good ticket for me. Alright folks, well, like I mentioned before, if you made it this far in the video, I definitely want to thank you for joining me. Don't forget to go down below and subscribe onto the channel. When you do, don't forget to click the bell notification so you'll be the first to know when we've been scratching again.